How you can make money just by having it. Have you heard of cryptocurrency staking? It's not just a trendy word, it's a real opportunity to grow your assets without putting in extra effort. In this video, I'll explain what staking is, how it works, and how you can earn guaranteed passive income by spending just 15 minutes a day. Watch this video till the end to get a step-by-step guide to get started. Hi there, my crypto fans, and this is Eva. First of all, a huge thank you for all your awesome comments. You guys rock! Now I've got a little fashion dilemma. I've treated myself with some new outfits and I need your help. How about we turn this into a fun little game? Drop your vote in the comments for your favorite look. I can't wait to see what you choose. And now let's get down to business. Today we're diving into something that will make your crypto work for you while you sleep. That's right, we're talking about cryptocurrency staking. I'll show you how to grow your digital stash easily and effortlessly. So if you're ready to learn how to make your money work for you, stay tuned. What exactly is cryptocurrency staking? Think of it as a high-tech piggy bank that pays you for keeping your money inside. Here's how it works. Staking is a process where you lock a certain amount of cryptocurrency on a platform to support the blockchain's operation. In return, you receive rewards in the form of additional tokens. Cool, right? Essentially, staking is like a supercharged version of traditional bank deposits. Instead of just letting your money sit in an account, you're investing in a blockchain operations and getting paid for it. Your cryptocurrency stays locked in the network, playing a crucial role in validating and confirming transactions. This not only ensures the network security and stability, but also puts extra points in your pocket. Let's dive deeper. How does staking really work? Staking begins with choosing a cryptocurrency and platform that supports it. Think of it as picking your player and your field. After buying your chosen crypto, you transfer it to a staking platform or wallet. Here's where it gets interesting. Your crypto gets locked into the network, becoming a part of blockchain's operations. It's like your digital coins are joining a working crew, helping to validate transactions and keep system running smoothly. The network has special workers called validators. These are supervisors of the blockchain, checking transactions and creating new blocks. Your staked funds help these validators to do their job, and in return, you get rewarded with new tokens. Not bad for letting your crypto do the heavy lifting. How much you earn depends on a few factors: the interest rate, how long you stake, and the total amount of crypto locked up. It's like a saving account but with potentially higher returns. Staking flavors. Choose your adventure. Now let's take a look at three main types of staking, which differ based on where your funds are stored. Technical staking. This is for the tech-savvy crowd. You need your own equipment, like a server or a special wallet. It's like being your own bank. High responsibility but potentially high rewards. Fair warning. It requires some serious tech skills and can be costly to set up. Second, exchange staking. It is a more accessible option. You stake your crypto on an exchange platform and they handle the technical aspects. Some even let you withdraw anytime. It's ideal if you want to avoid the complexity of technical setups. And the last one, DeFi staking. Welcome to the world of decentralized finance. Your assets support DeFi apps, often offering attractive returns. However, be aware that it can come with risks due to potential smart contract vulnerabilities or developer issues. Now let's talk about two types of deposits. Fixed staking. This is like a crypto time deposit. You lock your asset for a set period and get a fixed interest rate, sometimes up to 20% annually. It's great if you're comfortable not touching your funds for a while. Flexible staking. This option is for those who like to keep their options open. Stake and then stake wherever you want, earning interest all the while. It's perfect if you might need your funds on a short notice. But remember, each type has its pros and cons. Choose the one that best fits for your goals and comfort level. Top 5 benefits of staking. First, passive income. Staking allows you to earn your own cryptocurrencies simply by holding it in the network. It's like your digital assets are working a second job while you relax. For example, if you stake $1,000 worth of Ethereum, you could earn between 10 and 15% annually. This means that after a year, you could pocket an additional $100 to $150 without actively managing your assets. Not bad for letting your crypto do the heavy lifting. Second, high yields. In some cases, staking yields can significantly output traditional investment instruments. For instance, some DeFi platforms may offer returns up to 400% on staking certain assets. While these numbers can sound too good to be true, they do exist in crypto world. Just remember, high returns often come with high risks. If you choose the right project, this can lead to substantial growth in your investments. Third, automatic reward accrual. The staking reward process is automated, which means less work for you. You don't have to take additional steps to receive your profits. They come to you. For example, with Cardano, staking rewards are automatically credited to your account every month, without the need for a manual request. It's like having a smart piggy bank that fills itself up. Fourth, participation in network governance. When staking on some platforms, like Polkadot, you can participate in voting and decision-making on network improvements. This allows you not only to earn, but also to influence the development of the project you're invested in. It's like being a shareholder and a board member at the same time. Your stake gives you a voice in shaping the future of the blockchain. Fifth, flexibility and variety. There are many staking options to choose from, depending on your goals and preferences. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. For example, fixed staking can offer high yields, but require you to lock your funds for a set period. On the other hand, flexible staking gives you more control over your assets, allowing you to unstake wherever you want. Whether you're in it for the long haul or prefer to keep your options open, there is likely a staking option that suits your needs. Now let's talk about 3 main risks in staking. First, risk of losing funds due to hacks. Hacks and vulnerabilities can lead to the loss of your assets, and it's a real concern in the crypto world. Let's look at a real-world example: the wormhole breach hack, one of the largest crypto thieves in history. It happened on February 2nd, 2022, resulting in a loss of around $320 million in assets. Wormhole is an interchain bridge that allows users to transfer cryptocurrencies between different blockchains like Solana and Ethereum. The hackers altered the transaction signature verification at the bridge level and created fake WS tokens on the Solana network. They minted around 120,000 WS, equivalent to $320 million on Solana. Afterwards, the attackers quickly transferred these tokens to Ethereum and exchanged them for real S on other cryptocurrencies. In response, Wormhole immediately closed the vulnerability and supported operations for future investigation. To cover the losses, Jump Trading, the company behind Wormhole, injected its own funds to restore the balance of WS tokens and support the platform's liquidity. This example highlights the importance of choosing reliable platforms for staking. While the crypto world can offer high rewards, it's crucial to be aware of the risks and do your due diligence. Second, liquidity risks. Depending on type of staking, you may face restrictions on accessing your funds. For example, fixed staking requires you to lock your assets for a certain period, which can create problems if you urgently need the money. It's like putting your money in a time-locked safe, great for saving, but not so great if you need quick access to cash. Third, Technical risks. Incorrect setup or failure of technical equipment can lead to losses, especially if you're doing technical staking. For example, if you're using your own server or wallet for staking and experience problems, this could result in losing access to your funds. It's like being your own bank, rewarding but with added responsibility and risk. And now let's move on to the most important part: how to start staking and earn $100, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choosing cryptocurrency and exchange. Start by selecting a cryptocurrency that supports staking. Let's consider popular options like Ethereum 2.0, Polkadot, Cardano, Tezos, and Tron. In this example, we'll use fictional coin X, and I'll remind you that the responsibility for choosing cryptocurrencies and exchanges is yours. Our task to inform you about them. Next is to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange that offers staking services. Exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken have user-friendly interface and favorable conditions for beginners. In this example, we'll use the fictional exchange Meme. Step 2. Registration and verification. Register on the chosen exchange and complete the verification process. This usually requires providing personal information and documents to confirm your identity. Also enable two-factor authentication for added security on your account. Step 3. Funding your account. Buy coin X on the exchange using fiat money or other cryptocurrencies. For example, you can buy 1000 X for $5,000 if the current price is $5 per coin. Transfer your purchased coins to your staking wallet on the exchange platform if needed. Many exchanges allow you to stake directly from your main balance. Step 4. Staking cryptocurrency. Go to the staking section on your exchange, find coin X and select the staking option. Set your staking parameters. You can choose fixed or flexible staking depending on your strategy. In this case, we choose fixed staking for maximum returns. Confirm the transaction and start staking. Your coins will be locked for a chosen period. Step 5. Tracking earnings and receiving rewards. Regularly check your staking account to monitor accrued rewards. On the exchange, you can see how much you've earned so far. Rewards are usually credited once a month. If you stake in 1000 X in an annual yield of 15%, you will earn 150 X in a year. This is equivalent to $750 per year. Step 6. Withdrawing funds. When you reach your desired earnings or wish to stop staking, you can withdraw your funds. Go to the withdrawal section and follow the instructions to transfer coins to your main balance or another crypto wallet. If you want to cash out, convert your coins into fiat money, for example dollars, and transfer them to your bank account. Now let's look at a specific example in more detail. Imagine you stake 1000 X tokens on the Meme exchange with an annual return of 15%. After a year, you will receive 150 X tokens as a reward. At the current price of $5 per X token, this means you will earn an additional $750. For comparison, if you had deposited $5,000 in a bank account with a 10% annual interest rate, your profit would be $500 for the year, not accounting for fees and taxes. In other words, staking X tokens will give you at least $250 more. And that's not all. If the price of the X token increases by at least 20% to $6, your 150 X tokens will be now worth $900. Thus, if your token price rises, your profit will increase even more. Staking cryptocurrencies is a great way to earn passive income while growing your assets. However, don't forget about the risks associated with market volatility and security of your funds. Therefore, it's important to research reliable projects and platforms and keep security in mind when you're choosing an exchange or staking pool. Be sure to follow us to stay updated on new ways to earn money money through staking? Leave a comment below and let us know which projects you're interested in.